Morning class, I'm Will Kemp from Will Kemp Art School and I help complete beginners learn how to paint using classical techniques. And I'd like to introduce you to this traditional oil painting course. Oil paints are a fantastic medium. They dry much more slowly in comparison to acrylics, so give you more time to refine shapes, create smooth transitions, and build subtle shifts in light. As a beginner, it's important to understand traditional oil painting principles, whether that's taking the right approach or how to use materials and mediums effectively. We're going to keep it simple on this course and practical with an approach designed to work at home. You only need a small brush kit, a limited palette of pigments, minimal extra tools, and a really simple safe home setup. The short video lessons show each stage step by step, so you can follow along without feeling overwhelmed. You'll learn how to prepare a canvas, judge values, avoid muddy colours, control edges, and create the right consistency for your oil paint. We cover the essentials of traditional oil painting: underpainting, fat over lean, glazing, simple colour mixing, and when it comes to materials, I want you to understand the options available, from quick drying oil paint to mixing your own medium recipes. Throughout the course, you will complete 5 guided studies using downloadable reference images. We begin with a wipeout study that lets you carve out the form like a sculptor. Then we move on to a limited palette jug study and apply a thin couch layer that allows the paint to blend and flow across the surface. In the monochrome cup, you'll learn the importance of value and how to have the right brush choice using the alla prima approach. The lemon study introduces a 4-stage layered indirect painting using the fat over lean principles, and you'll learn how to think ahead to make the most from your glazing. Our final study is a classical still life of figs on a plate. This tutorial enables us to build layers and expand our colour mixing, working with a split primary palette. We'll be balancing realism with impressionism with painterly brushstrokes. Each study builds on the last and teaches a different method, from direct painting to an indirect classical approach. By focusing on still life subjects, you'll gain confidence in simple still lifes that you can continue on at home after you finish the course. I trained in classical oil painting in Florence and have over 15 years of online teaching experience and more than 300,000 YouTube followers. My focus is always on practical methods that will give you repeatable results. You'll receive more than 5 hours of video lessons, reference images, colour swatches, and lifetime access with a one-time payment. So grab a brew, maybe a couple of biscuits, and join me on this traditional oil painting course to discover the magic of oil painting.